For phonics today, our learning target is I can make new words by adding word endings to a base word. So it says, please read each base word and then type the new word created with each ending, S, ed, and ing. Here is an example. The base word is hike. With an S at the end, it's hikes. With ed, it's hiked. And with ing, it's hiking. Notice that when you add the ing, you have to drop the e before you add ing. That'll be the same thing you have to do here. This is the word bake. So you'll add an S for bakes, add a D to the end for baked, and then drop the E and add ing for baking. Here, this is the word shop. So when you have a vowel and then a consonant at the end like that, you have to double the consonant before you add the ending. So here we've got shopping and we have doubled the letter P. When you've got a Y, you are going to drop the Y and add I. So this would be cries. So watch what I do. I type in CR, drop the Y and add I, and then ES for cries. For crying, I'm going to erase that so that it's not on the template. And then for crying, you actually just keep the Y and add ing. So that one's a little bit tricky. With the word plan, remember that there is a vowel and then a consonant. So you'll double the consonant before you add the endings. So when you're done filling these in, so adding the endings to the base words and typing them in, you can press the X and then the blue turn in button.